Liacf stock, American Lithium Corp stock. What has been the impact of the much talked about Defense Production Act on the stock? We're going to find out soon. Know for sure is that there hasn't really been any piece of news associating the Defense Production Act with LIACF, but this does not mean that it hasn't had any impact. And also we're just saying that because normally you find those pieces of news around here. We have not really found anything in that regard concerning this stock, but I think it doesn't. The fact that it's not there does not mean it hasn't affected it. And it's also what is actually very much certain is that of late the stock has just been showing a lot of strength. It's in a strong bullish trend. It's in a strong bullish trend. The last 13 trading sessions, it has only dropped. It has only closed down, or it has only closed negatively 3 times. So 3 out of 13 times is what the record is for LIACF stock. And as a matter of fact, it doesn't have that. It has never had that record since the last 52 weeks. This is the 52-week chart going all the way back to when it was the bullish trend was at its peak, all the way back from the 28th of August all the way till the late November, or rather mid-November of last year. That all that period from August to November, it was a bullish push that started the stock ran up. It never ran a 13. It never ran a 10 out of 13 bullish push. It never ran anything like that. Along this length, we can only see about 10 trading sessions. We can only see about 10. It's probably pretty much 10 out of 10 here, all the way from here. But in the case of a session, in the case of anything more than 10 trading sessions, we never really saw anything like that. So yes, pretty much. Even though that this period looks on this length, it looks quite impressive. I think here it's a 9 out of 10, as a matter of fact, 9 out of 10. So well, going by proportions, it's pretty much better over there, but at the same time, this is what we're seeing of late. So, and if you come over here and see what's going on, we can see that this is the 10 trading sessions. The line trend is a strongly bullish one. Right? It has just, as at the close of the 1st of April, it just converged with its 10. It converged with its 50-day moving average, 50 period moving average on this 10-day chart, whose interval is a 10-minute one. So the moving back, let's have a look at the 1 month chart and see. Let's see what we're talking about here. Let's see what the difference is. It's going to take some time to come up here. As you can see, it's clearly a bullish one. Clearly a bullish one. So throughout much of that period, it was trading decently above its 50. What would this be? Above its 50 period moving average. It was just of late, sometime on the 29th of March, which 30th of March. That was Wednesday the 30th, that it fell below that 50 period moving average. And indeed all the other ones apart from the 200. This is the 1 month chart on the 30-minute period, 30-minute interval. So, and it's also indicating that it has converged with its 10-minute moving average on this particular chart. So let's have a look and see what the short interest on LIACF is. Let's see. LIACF. We may not get any figure here. Okay, the short interest decreased by 42%.
prior to now it was 1.444 million shares. Okay, so it decreased by 52%. It's going to take 1.3 days to cover, so we might be able to estimate that. So let's get the average volume. 1.3 days average daily volume over the last 10 trading sessions is 525,000. So it's probably around it says it's we have it there as a 1.3. So 1.3, it's going to be 525.228 times 2, 1.2. okay, that's a third of that. Sorry, 525.228 divided by 3 will give us that 175. Okay, plus 525.228 is 703,000. Okay, oh, we actually have it there. Why were we doing that? Okay, so the current short interest is 831,500. So that's what it is. But we don't have the float, so we can always find the float. Liacf float. Okay, the float is 197.35 million. So that is absolutely minimal, totally mega. It's not it's not include short interest, not as much as you would expect, given the short. But at the same time, it's not strictly about the float. It's also about what is available. But ultimately, what matters is what's available. So it makes some sense. At the same time, if you're looking at the global picture, which is looking at its floats, it's very small. But going by what it normally trades by, it's going by its regular volume, it is something. So, well, all in all, the Liacf stock, as you know very well, appears or is in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average upward sloping, and the histogram is above 0, and comparative relative strength analysis shows it's outperforming the S&P 500. Okay, momentum for Liacf is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is above 80, the level which many analysts call overbought. This means that investors have been actively purchasing Liacf stock and driving the price higher. Okay, momentum is the unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So we have 3 targets. 2 of them are short term. The first short term target is $3.57. Okay, so that will take it up somewhere just slightly above where it is. 3.57 around here. 3.57 exactly. That's where our first target is, and the second target is at 3.7. This is where it is. 3.7 is where it will take it up. 3.7, and then we are also reiterating our long-term target of 5.09. 5.09, has it ever reached there? 5.09, since the last 52 weeks it has never reached there, but that's our target. That's still our target. Okay, so see what you make of lithium, American Lithium Corp stock, Liacf, and thank you very much for watching this video.